How to use the Sony DSCW220 as a webcam. Here are all the things that we're going to need. Battery, and we're going to use ClearClick. We're going to use this device to connect to our PC, and we're going to connect it right there. But we need a special cord to connect the camera. So this is the special cord for the Sony camera. It has this connection right here, and this goes into the camera. So let's connect it all, and I'll show you how it all comes together. Then by the end of the video, we're going to jump into OBS, and we're going to show you how you can detect the camera and start using it as a webcam. So let's get the battery in here first. Let's connect our cable. Now our cable is secure. Let's connect it to the ClearClick device. So we're just going to match the colors here. So yellow is for video. So let's locate our yellow. So we have our video right here. And then these two are for stereo. So left and right, white, and then red. Okay, so we're almost ready to go. And then this one is going to go to your PC, and then we're going to turn everything on. We're going to show you how to detect the camera, and then we're going to successfully stream with it. So let's go to it. Okay, we have successfully connected the camera. It's ready to go. There's the ClearClick into the computer, and there is OBS. I'm going to show you how to find the camera. So let's go into the plus sign, and we're going to go to video capture device. Okay, you're going to hit OK on that. And then once this opens up, that's the actual webcam, but we want the one that's on ClearClick. So let's click on that. Okay, so there it is. Camera is already detected. So let's hit OK. Now all we have to do is just bring this down in order to fit it to the window here. Okay. And then we're also going to run the recording so we can see it in action, so you can actually see that it's streaming. So let's pick up the camera, and then here I am. We are successfully streaming with Sony Cybershot DSCW220, and you can just hit record, or you can go on YouTube Live, Facebook, wherever platform, and you can have this vintage look with the Sony camera. I think it's pretty cool. So let me know if you found this useful. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to watch another video regarding another webcam setup like this, go to the video right here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.